Guys, you want to learn how to make some simple keto recipes? You've come to the right place. Come with me, come on. Hey you guys, welcome back. Well, listen, I wanted to make a quick video on showing you guys some simple keto recipes. Now, everybody tried to say that, hey, listen, you know what, keto becomes difficult and how do I make the meals and blah, 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 blah. Well, the thing is this, is that keto does not have to be difficult. It can be a very easy process, okay? And some of these meals are very easy to make. I've got a 930 calorie meal that I made very easily, okay? And this right here, just 2 of these kind of meals is enough for the rest of the day. Now, watch this video and let me show you exactly how I make it. Come on, watch this. As you can tell, this was a very easy meal to make. Now, I know because I time-lapsed it a little bit, so it went a little bit fast, but normally this meal shouldn't take you any more than 20 minutes maximum, depending on exactly how much cauliflower you are actually steaming. Please, try your different combinations with this. I only added several spices to it, like ginger garlic paste and paprika and, you know, some salt and pepper. But you guys can try different variations to it to see exactly what works for you guys. And leave in the comment box to tell me exactly how you liked the meal and exactly what different variations you guys tried and what worked better. It'll help a lot of the community out, okay? Listen, if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys next time, okay? Allah Hafiz.